Okay, so for part 2, the solid beam, we are going to come up here to the document tool, and we are going to copy the workplace, and then rename that workplace to hollow beam underscore your initials. For the hollow beam, we are basically taking this beam and we are just going to hollow out the middle of it. So we need to be on a view, any of the faces here. So we're going to click on the right face. You could do the left face as well, but the instructions use the right face. And I'm going to zoom up on this. I'm using the touchpad on my computer screen. If you have a mouse, a lot of people find that easier than just using the touchpad. So then we're going to create a sketch. Now here, rather than selecting one of the planes, I'm actually going to click right on the face there, and then make a center point rectangle. And if I go right here, you can see these lines pop up. Right here, I'm on line with the center point, and now I'm basically right in the middle once those 2 points pop up, and I can make my dimensions. From there, go and make sure that everything, as the instructions say, are 0.1 inches away. So, and you can see since this is the center point, did that same right there. And then it's all locked up. But what if your students didn't do it like that? So we're going to undo some things here. And let's say your students didn't center it up and they used the corner tool. So we just have this corner tool here. And that's fine. It's in the middle. So next we'll just have to do this way all the way across the board. And that works as well. So you can see I'm looking for that second line to turn yellow. That means it is collecting it, and boom, I got it. So next thing I want to do is I want to extrude, which we have done before. And I can extrude some different things. I want to extrude right here in that center. So what we just drew out, that's what I want selected. And I want to remove that center. So for the removal, I like to do this in isometric view. So that way I can see this arrow. I can drag this back for how far deep I want it, and that shows me how many inches. But I know I want it to go 7 inches back because that's how long that beam is. And you can see that starting to hollow out. And then now, yep, we have a solid beam. Everything is good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to close out of this document.